Eco Clean Queen here. On this channel, I teach people how to clean using all eco-friendly products. And most of these products you can find in your own kitchen or under your bathroom sink. So I looked at my garbage can the other day and you know, it just has all these little stains on it. And that's from rust. So I'm going to teach you how to clean it just using a few simple ingredients. So stay tuned after this intro and I'll show you how.
Baking soda, a rag of your choice, apple cider vinegar or 3% hydrogen peroxide, Quad Zero steel wool pad, 100% lemon essential oil.
So the first thing you want to do is see where the lines are going on the stainless steel. On the top here it's going this way, and then on the bottom here it's going that way. So when I clean, I'm going to clean in the direction of the lines. This is important so you don't scratch the stainless steel.
Now at first I sprayed the Quad Zero steel wool pad, and then later I just found out that if I just spray the entire can, it's actually better because then the apple cider vinegar can do its work and soak most of the rust, and then when I go back with the baking soda it comes off a lot easier. To get better results, spray the entire can with apple cider vinegar or 3% hydrogen peroxide and let it soak for about 10 minutes. Then go with the Quad Zero steel wool pad and baking soda to scrub all of the rust away. When you're done scrubbing, just dampen the rag and remove most of the baking soda and the vinegar away, and then you'll go with a dry rag to completely dry it. Later, you'll drop a couple of drops of that 100% essential lemon oil, and what this is going to do is just condition the stainless steel so that it shines, and then later you'll go with another dry rag and just buff it dry.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. You can also tap on this circle right here with my logo. That's the subscribe button. And you can also tap on the notification bell to be notified of any other upcoming videos. Thanks again. Take care. See you next time.